Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another after action review of trading performance. My name is Thomas, and today is the second day of the 10th month of the year 2025. Today, I probably had the best day I've ever had in the market. Really aligned with the order flow and everything. So let's just go look at how I did. Kind of wanted to shake things up a little bit, and this time, just start with the trades and then look at the results later. So here, this is EWW. Open, here's the collapsing dragon entry right over here, Hulk smash all the way down, makes about a 1.05 range stat move, so definitely frameable to the downside. It can move maybe 2-3 range stats, anything can happen. It reverses, I take the SSC. The first collapsing dragon netted about 2.23R. The SSC nets about 0.58R. Then this is the Kata 2 short that I try. It had about 3.1 to the low of the day and 8.1 to the second range stat. I already factored in the fact that it would be probably half a range stat due to the afternoon move. So still very good frame. The second frame to the top side, which had about 3.1 to the range stat, given that it would be, again, half of the move earlier because it's an afternoon trade. Both of these kind of fail. After this, in the close to the, for me, evening, for New York, it's in the afternoon. This just broke out, and this was kind of a hard trade frame for me because I was already up a lot at the end of the day and was looking at this trade. Found a frame 3-1 to 75% of the range stat in the afternoon, which was just a legit, and I just thought about it, said, I definitely frame this if I was, in the morning, if I was framing this, in a chilled environment, I was like, I would definitely take this trade. So I took it. It ended up working in our favor, and I took about 3.21R out of it. So total for the day, plus 4.95R, and the weekly total, 15.1R. So really good day. Very interesting to see is how long my system stays in trades. As you can see, it starts at about 16 o'clock. It stays in the trades, to about 18:30. Stays out of the chop. I mean, we get in here, and we only miss about 6 to 9 minutes. Here in the Z3 pinch, we don't trade because that's the sideways quiet channel, and then just get back in and trade for the last about hour and 20 minutes. So that's pretty nice. Another Hulk smash day in EWZ. Pretty much the same standard stuff, the same trade frame, just that this first collapsing dragon nets almost 5R. It's 4.6R, one position, Hulk smash down, SSC. This was another one of those beautiful frameable trades. It moved, I think, yeah, it definitely moved more than a range stat. And to the peak of the RL10, that's this this opening, even from the previous day, was about 11-1, and just to the range stat move, it was 8-1. So probably my favorite frame of the day. Beautiful frame. It works in our favor. We take 3.17R out of it. Then here, I try the collapsing dragon. Excuse me, the Kata 2 short. I have about 2.5-1 to the low of the day. My main target was about half of the second range stat down, since it moved more than a range that I was thinking about that it could possibly move that way. This moved half a range, a full range stat, so maybe the afternoon move would be about half a range stat. So that was where I framed it. It kind of mucks around, then takes me out for about minus 0.67R loss. So 7.1R total for that symbol. And then this was in Wells Fargo company. Yeah, pretty standard here. Again, collapsing dragon. Works a little bit, reverses at the PSAR. After it breaks below a new low of the day in the afternoon, again, the black PSAR dots indicate a stronger move, so I get in, try the collapsing dragon. Here, it reverses. I take about a 0.52R loss. And then after it gets out of the sideways quiet channel, I don't think it's easy to see here, but if you could see a high and a lower high, so this is a Kata 2 short, with still about 4-1 to a range stat move in the afternoon, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's still possible to perceive it going down. Yeah, so I try that, and it doesn't work. So This was kind of like I call this like the expense symbol. The other symbols I got paid, and this one I had to pay. This one I had to pay, but I'll take that when I pay minus 1.45R and take take those wins. So those are the trades. Those are the three symbols. So this is now this is looking really, really nice. 66 trades, point 16, I mean 16.69 R. Max R was that 4.6 win. A minimal R is minus 1.08. Average R is now getting almost to 0.25 or 0.3. That's pretty good. I was expecting this system to get around 0.2. There's still probably about 30, 40 more trades till I get like 100 trade sample size, which I believe is then statistically significant, which I can then firmly say what the system can and cannot do. I think something around 0.2R would be absolutely incredible, given that this is the fourth trial of the system. The SQN is looking really nice. Anything above 2 is great, and SQN is more catered to the reality, so about 1.7. What's really surprising and really good is that the average win to average loss is about 2.4, 2 point, I'm sorry, 2 point something. To excuse my math, what is it? It's like 2 point something. Okay, just 2 point something. Um, Calculator, come on, I can calculate this. 1 second, so I don't. Yeah, 2.4. Okay, I was right. That was right. All right, first, yeah, just trust your judgment. So about 2.4 times the average loss. And I have it even here on the coin model. Funny me. So yeah, so the average win bigger than the average loss. Still a little bit more losses than wins. That's fine as long as the losses are small, averaging minus 0.52 and the wins are big. That's great. Cumulative R, I mean, that's the kind of graph you want. You know, just sideways quiet channel breakout. Love to see it. It's funny that during the last 10 or 11 trades, I made about 1.5x of the last 50 trades. So that's just, that's trading for you. That's the scatter plot. Histogram looks really nice. Obviously, most of my trades are in about the 1, 0, I mean, minus 1 to about 3. That's where, because I frame everything 3 to at least 3 to 1. So that's where I want to be kind of profitable. And then the fat right tails. And the coin model, basically my system right now can be represented by a coin that wins 44% of the time and pays 2.41. So overall, really, really happy with the results. I still want to keep on trading, getting more and more in line with the system. I still believe there's definitely improvements I can make regarding my execution. And now since I've started trading 3 symbols at a time, I really need to get comfortable with that. But it's looking really good, especially since in the future I want to get a prop firm to stake me. So I think with these kinds of results, I'm definitely have an opportunity to be available to those kinds of opportunities. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys have an incredible day and incredible weekend, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.